Morning, sir. Myself, Harivardhan. We are doing a project on ticket booking using GUI and SQL. So, our team members are Bharat, Sundar, and Pranav Reddy. And we are doing under faculty Raghunathan, sir. So, introduction about the project is ticket booking using GUI and SQL is a project that aims to create a user-friendly interface for customers to book and manage their tickets for various events. The project utilizes a SQL database to store and retrieve data related on event details, ticket booking availability, customer information, and booking history. The SQL database is used to store and manage data related to events, tickets, and customers. The graphical user interface allows customers to browse through a list of events, view event and details such as time, date, venue, ticket prices, select the number of tickets, and make the booking. Overall, the project provides a convenient and efficient way for customers to book and manage their tickets while also enabling event organizers to keep track of ticket sales and manage event details. Important programming paradigm used object-oriented programming. The paradigm emphasizes the use of objects and their interacts to design software systems. Event-driven programming. The paradigm involves the responding to user actions such as button clicks or menu selections in a ticket booking system. Event-driven programming can be used to respond to user input for the GUI as such as selecting an event and booking tickets. Functional programming. This paradigm involves writing a software as series of mathematical functions. In a ticket booking system, the functional programming can be used to manipulate data stored in SQL database, such as querying the available tickets or updating customer booking records. Procedural programming. The paradigm involves writing software such as a series of procedures or functions that perform specific tasks. In ticket booking system, the procedural programming can be used to create functions that perform operational on SQL database. Declarative programming, this paradigm involves specify the desired output of the program rather than steps required to produce the output in ticket booking system. Declarative program can be used to create SQL queries that retrieve information from the database. And finally, the important package used in the project is Tkinter and SQLite. So Tkinter is a standard Python GUI package that provides widgets such as buttons, labels, text buttons, menus, which can be used create a graphical user interface. And SQLite tree is a built-in Python module that provides a lightweight or service SQL database that it allows you to connect to SQ database and execute SQL queries and fetch results. In the code, the Tkinter package used to create a GUI that allows to select a ticket type, enter the name, email, submit the booking. The SQLite package is used to create SQLite database and ticket booking .db and store the booking details and table called booking. The code creates the table if doesn't already exist, inserts the booking data into the table, and displays success message if the booking was successful. Overall, Tkinter and SQLite are essential packages for creating database based on the application interacts with the database. Thank you. Now my fellow mate will explain the code.
Myself, I can continue to explain the code of the project ticket booking system using SQL database and graphical user interface. Here, import Tkinter as TK is a Python statement that imports the Tkinter module and allows it for Tkinter convenience. And SQLite is an built-in Python module that provides lightweight and serverless SQL database engines. We can use this SQLite 3 database, create tables, insert data, query data, and more. Here, class is a blueprint of creating objects. It defines set of attributes, methods that describe the behavior of the object created from the class. A class is defined using the class keyword, followed by the name of the class and column. Here, class describes about the ticket booking system. Here, def is used to define the function. In self-master, self-master is a reference to the main window of graphical user interface application created among the created using Tkinter. In the code snippet provided, self-master is passed as an argument to the ticket booking system, which initializes the window title, size, and other properties. Here, label is a widget, is a rectangular area where you can display text, images, or combination of both. It will provide information or to prompt the user for input. And entry function is a widget rectangular box where the user can type in the text using the keyword. And get method is used to retrieve values entered by using graphical user interface widgets for the ticket type, name, and email. And the value returned by the get function method are assigned for the ticket type, name, email, values, variables respectively, used later in the code to insert values into SQLite database. Here connect and error is used for displaying the error if some of the particulates in the code are not filled, so it will show you the error message showing that need to fill all the columns. And the connection and the connect function is a method used to establish a connection between the database. The cursor object is used to execute two SQL statements to create booking tables if does not exist, and the other insert a new record into the booking system. Connection commit is used to commit the changes made by the SQL database. Important note: commit method should be called after all the changes have been made and validated. Connection close is used to close the connection to the SQL database. When close method is used, the connection to the database is closed and any associated resources are released. Tickinter module, which represents the main window. Ticket booking system class passing in the root window as an argument. Root window using main loop. This listens to the user events such as clicks, keystrokes, and updates the GUI response. Thank you.
Myself, Pranav. As I mentioned before, we use different program paradigms like object-oriented programming and procedural programming. Also, we imported packages like Ticket-Run SQL. Let me execute the code. This is a demo of ticket booking system built using Ticket-Run module in Python. This includes various fields need to be filled for successful booking, like to select the class of booking, and name and Gmail need to be entered for successful booking. This is the basic demo and can be further improved by adding validation checks and error handling. Thank you. With regards, Pranav.